If you ever find yourself in Beijing, be sure to take a walk down Dashilar Street, one of the city's most historic and lively streets, with nearly 600 years of stories, shops, and culture. It's a place where the past and the present come together in a truly unforgettable way. Whether you're a history buff, or a shopaholic, or just curious to see Beijing's soul, Dashilar is a must-see. Marlon Samuels has more in this report.
The street named Dashilar is a vibrant slice of Beijing's rich history and culture, located southwest of Tiananmen Square. For nearly 600 years, this historic street has been the heartbeat of commerce, entertainment, and tradition.
In Chinese, Dashilar means fences. So Dashilar is one of the most famous and oldest historical street and district in Beijing. There are many famous tea houses, shops, and restaurants. It really offers a real taste of old Beijing.
Walking along Dashilar, you'll be transported through time, where ancient buildings blend seamlessly with modern. It's a living museum, showcasing Beijing's architectural heritage and bustling marketplace spirit. Here, you can purchase traditional Chinese medicine, fine silk, and cloth, and continue their centuries-old legacy. You'll also find handcrafted cloth shoes and delicious local food.
As for me, I also come here as a tourist, and I love the traditional Chinese food like baodu and bingtang hulu here. And also there are many shops sells the traditional items like tuye or treitangren.
Once a hub for entertainment, Dashilar is dotted with historic tea houses, theaters, and even some of Beijing's finest cinemas, places where culture and community have thrived for generations.
You can find a lot of the woodcraft and stonecraft like 1,000 years ago. And like those stones is like 100 years from Shanxi Ming Qing dynasty. And like the door, we use that doors like for the families like 200 years ago.
Today, Dashilar remains a must-visit destination where history meets modern life, offering travelers a genuine taste of Beijing's timeless charm. From its historic shops to vibrant culture, this street truly embodies the spirit of the city. Reporting from Dashilar Street in Beijing, China, I am Marlon Samuels for the news on PBCJ.